Ever wondered what makes a perfect sesame grilled salmon? Is it the blend of spices, the fresh salmon, or perhaps the technique used to grill it? Today we'll unravel the mystery behind this delectable dish. First off, let's discuss the star of the show, the salmon. The freshest of salmon makes a world of difference. It's all about that tender, flaky texture that melts in your mouth. Now, if you're wondering about the type, go for either king or sockeye. They are the best for grilling. Now, onto the marinade. It's a fusion of sweet and savory, with just a hint of spiciness. Start by mixing together honey, soy sauce, sesame oil, and fresh minced garlic. Then, add in a bit of grated ginger for that subtle kick. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt and pepper. This blend is the magic potion that gives the salmon its unique flavor profile. Next, marinate the salmon. Pour the marinade over the salmon fillets and let them soak in all that goodness. Remember, patience is key here. Give it at least 30 minutes, but if you have the time, letting it sit for a couple of hours would be optimal. While the salmon is marinating, preheat your grill. Aim for a medium heat, which is perfect for cooking the salmon evenly without burning it. Once the grill is ready, place the salmon fillets skin side down. Here's a tip: don't move the salmon around too much. Let it cook undisturbed for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Once the salmon is cooked to your liking, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the fillet, making every bite juicy and flavorful. And there you have it, the perfect sesame grilled salmon. It's a symphony of flavors, with the sweet and savory marinade perfectly complementing the rich, fatty salmon. The sesame seeds add a delightful crunch, and the grilling process brings out a smoky depth that ties everything together. Remember, the key to a perfect sesame grilled salmon is fresh ingredients, a well-balanced marinade, and patient grilling. So, the next time you're in the mood for some seafood, why not give this recipe a try? You might just discover your new favorite dish. Until next time, happy cooking!